I'm going to show you how you can transfer a drawing like this to a canvas like this to work on a painting. So the first thing you want to do is put down tracing paper and get a pen or a Sharpie or something. And I'm simply just going to go over every line and shape that I know that I want to transfer to the drawing. And this is going to help me get a much more accurate drawing than I could if I was just painting with a brush. One of the things that I want to make sure I get is like very sharp, crisp lines that are delineating the buildings and the architecture and the structure of the bridge from the sky. And usually when I go in and I paint everything all at once, I kind of will sometimes lose those edges or blend the sky in with the buildings, and that's not really the effect that I'm wanting right now. Before the Impressionist era, a lot of times painters would pre-paint their skies so that they could either superimpose trees, buildings, whatever, and have sharp lines. So I've done that here, and I'm pretty happy with how this sky has turned out. I think it looks pretty decent. The next step is going to be going over the back side of this tracing paper. I'm just going to go over that with oil paint. Then we'll flip it back over and apply it to the canvas. And once you cover all of the lines and things, you want to flip it back over and tape the tracing paper with the paint side down to your canvas. And I'm just using a ballpoint pen here, but you could use a pencil or something like that, but something that's going to give you a fine line, and you retrace over the lines again a third time. I will say, because I was working on a canvas weave, sometimes the pen would get stuck in a little groove, but I'm still really happy with how this turned out, and it was much better than trying to draw it onto the canvas directly. So once you finish this and you get all of your lines traced over, you can flip it off, and what you should have is a nice clean image ready to be painted. I hope this works out for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this method or something similar to it, and if it worked for you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see how this painting turned out and turn this into a finished painting. Remember, most importantly, you guys have a voice that matters. Go be creative, and I'll see you next time.